seems I haven't done one for a while. This is a new project. Barra, Rodeo. I know, fancy me using a Barra. Barra's been shoehorned in there a fair way back, much to everyone's dismay about all their comments, about leaving comments about why is the motor so far back? I simply built this car to pop wheel stands and big wheel stands. So, motor back, short wheelbase. So you can just see it's only just a slight recess, about 380 millimeters. Had I put it down the front, it wasn't going to work. At this stage I've cut the cross member, brought it forward, misses the drag link and everything just misses, so that's exactly where it's going. But in a way, no problems. And yes, I can change number 6 spark plug. Pretty, besides that bit of shit there, and the sill panel is actually pretty good. It's all one colour. I'm not even going to paint it, I'm going to leave it this shit colour. These dirty sticks here are from a Ford Courier. I was always going to use a Rodeo chassis or a cab. These little bad boys here, which are homemade Caltracs, they actually should work. We've got the rod ends, not on that one, but as you can see there, the rod ends are there. The rod ends on here. No, it's not. It's in the car. All the plates have been done. All I'm waiting for is the rod ends and the chromoly tube, and that will be that done. Leaf springs, I've turned a leaf upside down to get it to a better ride height. Now, whether that's going to work against me, I even shortened the shackles to drop it because it's just way too high. Unless I notch out the chassis or do something, but it'll be cool, but it's a drawing. That was just to give me a bit of an idea. Cradle for the fuel cell, which is, I've taken the dimensions out of the Commodore one, so that should go straight in. I'm using an XH Borg Warner diff, which has obviously been cut down a shitload. Shocks in pretty much all the standard mounts. That's pretty much well it. So this is the new project. Still plenty to do, still got lots of brackets to cut off and move. This side here I'll clean up with a flapper disc. Winch up there, which has lifted the cab off. I know it looks dangerous, but it probably is, but who cares. The tunnel, get all that cleaned up, finish off welding up in there. That's pretty much well nearly done. That can be seam sealed. Heaps of work here. This was all rusted out. As you can see, it's all been replaced and it was a fucking nightmare. But anyway, clean all that up. I hate factory creases in engine bays. So I was originally going to cut out the inner guards. You can see the marks there. Now that I've cut the cross member, the motor will come straight out of the Commodore and go straight in, so I don't have to touch anything. The turbo, I have an extension. So basically that's that turbo sits there. V-band clamp, don't have to worry about taking the bolts off because the turbo on the Commodore is to get these bolts out, especially these ones where they're real close to the turbo. I don't know why they've made them so hard to get to. These ones, piece of piss. These ones. Drop the V-band clamp off. Bob's your uncle. Gonna drop a little pipe out here. Wastegate will just drop straight down there. Nice and easy. Thank you, mother, for the roses. Probably get my mate Greg Young to TIG that up for me. I think that's pretty much it as far as fab work goes. Right, easy. I'm gonna put a big 3.5 inch in. I've got tons of room down there. Bang, bang. The front brakes to 5 stud. So if anyone knows the best way to do it, I'm sure I can make up some brake brackets. It's just a matter of getting the. Well, there's no racing on at the moment. It was giving me plenty of chance to get some shit done on it. To take the VR away in a couple of weeks to Whyalla to redeem my last 2 trips up there where I broke the trans twice. The first one I broke it. Second time was caused because of the breakage. I burnt all the clutches out. So now it's got a tough as nail C4 back in it. Got a hoop done Walker Chassis did me main hoop, so that's ready to go in. That'll probably be the next step. I'm aiming for sort of the 1150, 1200 kilo mark without me in it. Keep you posted. We'll do another vid in once I get the cage in and get cracking on the fab work. Bars will come down, and then the crossover bars to hook up with the chassis. So I wouldn't mind being able to bolt them to that. Rolls killer. Look at that. But ridiculously light compared to the Commodore anyway. It already wants to go fast. So I want his wheel stands. I'm quite happy if it runs 11.0, but as long as it's on the back bumper. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. Okay, thanks, bye.